Morning children. Children, today we will learn about parallel lines. Okay. Parallel lines means lines which are at an equal distance from each other and never meet are called parallel lines. The symbol for parallel lines is these two parallel lines. Suppose children, you take your scale, it on a paper and hold it firmly with one of your hands. Now holding the scale firmly, you try to draw two lines, moving your pencil lightly along both the upper edge and the lower edge of the scale by one. Now you will notice that two lines carefully. You will observe they are at an equal distance from each other at all the points and they will never meet even you extend them on left and right. Okay. So look children, here a pair of parallel lines drawn. So children, when you try to extend these lines in both the directions, here also or here also, so you will find that these two lines do not intersect each other. They do not meet at any point. They will be parallel, okay? So these two lines are called parallel lines, which will never cut each other. And this line name is AB, this line name is CD. So using symbol you write AB is parallel to CD. We use this symbol for the parallel. So this line means AB is parallel to CD. So line AB is parallel to line CD. I hope you are getting. Suppose children, I will take you the parallel lines with the help of scale. So children, look at here, it's a ruler. So when you draw one line along this edge and another line along this edge, so these two lines will be parallel lines. Because when you draw these two lines, they will never intersect each other. They will never cut. Okay? So whenever you need to draw parallel lines, we use a ruler and draw one line at this edge and draw another line from this edge. Okay? Now moving to the exercise children. Open your exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2. Draw line segments of the following measures. The first is your AB equals to 4 centimeter. Means you have to draw a line AB, name it, and its length should be 4 centimeter. So let's do A number first children. To draw a line AB of 4 centimeter children, look at here. Place your ruler properly and hold it with your hands. Now children, you mark here at 0. You may look here the first line is at 0. So you mark here a point here. Okay. So I have marked here a point at 0. Now you have to draw length of 4 centimeter. So you will put another dot at 4. Okay. At 4, here is a line. Can you see the bigger line? Now you draw a point here at 4. Draw a point. Now you have to join these points children. But you have to hold the scale properly. Don't move your scale children. And now you join these two points. So this line is of 4 centimeter. I hope you are getting. And you have to name it AB. So starting point name A. Ending point name B. It's of 4 centimeter. So write here length 4 centimeter. Now we will draw the next. CD equals to 10 centimeter. So children, again in the same way, you take your scale children and hold it properly. Don't move your scale. Fix it with your hands. Now you mark one dot at 0. Now another dot children you will mark at 10. But you have not to move your scale. Here is written no 10. So children, here at 10 you mark a point. Now children, you may see our one dot is at 0. Another dot is at 10. Now you need to join this line starting from 0 to 10. Hold your scale properly. Don't move it. Okay. Now you move your scale. So children, this line is your of 10 centimeter. Line's name is your CD. So starting name C, end with D and write here length 10 centimeter. Now moving to last question, children. Here you have to draw MN of 7 centimeter. Again you hold your scale, children. In the same way, you mark one point at 0, another point you mark at 7, and then you join it from 0 to 7. And now here MN, so write here M, write here N, and here length is 7 centimeter. I hope you are getting. Now question number 2, measure the length of the following line segments. So children, when you have to measure the length of a line segment, you need to put here your ruler along the line. Starting point should be at 0. I will show you. So children, keep your ruler at A point, you just keep at 0, and now you look at the ending point, that is B. So children, you find it is coming to this line. So here children, you look at the last point B. Here you may find it's matching to the small lines. Okay. So you will count the small lines after these 3. So after these 3 you count the small lines. How many small lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So approximately the last point B coincide at 7th line. Okay. So your length is 3.7. The small lines you count and then you have to write it. So it's coming at 7th line. So you will write here length 3.7 and centimeter. So you write here length 3.7 centimeter. Moving to question number B, you children try to coincide the first point M at 0 and look at the next last point. It's coinciding at this line. No. Now you count the small lines here. So it's coming at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th line. No. So our length is 2.5. Because after 2, there are 5 small lines also. Okay. So you write here length 2.5 centimeter. Moving to question number D, children. Here you start. Keep your ruler along this line XY, and at the first point you keep your point 0. Now you look at the last point Y where it matches. So it comes to the small lines. No, count here the small lines after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think at the 4th line, at the 4th small line it comes. So our length is 4.4. Okay, 4.4 centimeter. So you write here length 4.4 centimeter. Moving to question number 3, identify the parallel lines in the following and put a tick against them. So you have to identify whether the lines are parallel or not. Identify means they should not cross each other. So you children look at the first pair. If you find these 2 lines are parallel, if you will extend it, it will never cut each other. So these are parallel lines. So A number is the parallel line. But look at the B number, children. You can find here the distance is more, but here the distance is less. So if you will extend at this part, so it will cut at each other. It will cross at each other. Okay. So these are not the parallel lines. Moving to question number 4, identify the parallel lines in these figures and write their names. So in figure A, there are 4 sides, 4 line segments. So you have to find out which are parallel lines. So children, these 2 lines are crossing each other. No, these 2 lines are cutting. You can find here. But these 2 lines are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. These will not cut each other. Similarly, these 2 lines are parallel. Again, these 2 lines, if you will extend, they will not cut each other. So first pair and second pair. So these are parallel lines. Write in your copy. So here children, AB is parallel to this line. You may write it CD. Write here AB is parallel to CD. Now again this line is parallel to this line. This AD is parallel to BC. Write here AD is parallel to BC. Coming to the next figure, here number B. So here children, you may see this line and this line. These 2 are parallel. ये दोनों कभी एक दूसरे को नहीं काटेगा. These 2 will never meet. So these 2 lines are parallel. PQ, SR. So you write PQ and SR are parallel. Now again you may look this SR and this line TU. These two are again parallel. So you write here SR is parallel to TU. You can use this sign. Now again this line ST and this line RU. These two are again parallel. ST is parallel to RU. And this line PS is parallel to QR. So you write here PS is parallel to QR. Okay. Moving to question number C. Here children, this figure is given. Now here in this figure you have to find out parallel lines. So this line DE parallel to BC. So right here DE is parallel to BC. Now this line BC is parallel to FD. So BC is parallel to FD. Now again DE is parallel to FG. These two lines also parallel. So you write DE is parallel to FG. And again these lines children, this BF and this CG. If you will extend it, they will also not intersect each other. So this BF is parallel to CG. So you may write this BF is parallel to CG. So children, you have to identify the parallel lines and then you have to write their names. With the help of a ruler, draw two sets of parallel lines. So children, already I explained how to draw a parallel line. You keep your scale, keep your ruler and draw one line at this edge and another line at this edge. Okay? And now you move your scale. So this pair of lines are parallel lines and you can name it. Suppose I am giving the name AB and here CD. So here this line AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, you can draw here another set. Okay, you can hold your scale and now again one line you draw at this side and second line you will draw this side. So these pair of lines are your parallel lines. So give your name MN and give your name RS. You may give any other letters also. So this MN is parallel to RS. So you have to hold the scale and draw lines at their edges. Now moving to last question children. Give 5 examples of parallel lines from your surroundings. So you may look edges of books. Okay. Suppose this is my copy. This is your book. So if you see that children, here edges of books are having also parallel lines. This edge you may look this line and here at this edge this line. These two are parallel to each other. Okay, these two sides are parallel. ये दोनों कभी भी, if you will extend it, they will never intersect. Okay, now moving to second example, that is door. You just look at your door also children. The edges of door are also parallel. The walls, okay, the edges of walls are also parallel. Blackboard, you may look at the blackboard. It's a rectangle in shape, no? So the sides of blackboards are also parallel. Last is your instrument box, your rectangular pencil box. The edges of rectangular box is also parallel lines. Okay children. Now do your copy work properly in good handwriting children. And when you will use the ruler and you will draw the straight lines, you just be careful. Okay, you will not move your scale. Just hold it properly. Then you put dots and join the line. Okay. So children, today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.